ఓం నమో రాజేశ్వరాయ. ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. శివాది శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. Today is auspicious Shani Trayodasi, the Abhijit Lagna, the afternoon. We wanted to touch upon a subject called in the Sanatana Dharma, what is instructed, what is the Anusasanam. So Siksha is the broad word used for teaching or studying or teacher-student relationship, the Siksha. Siksha is a Vedanga as well. It will teach how to pronounce things, how to understand Vyakarana. Siksha is predominantly about teaching. So in the Siksha Valli, in the Taittiriyopanishad, Siksha Valli, Ekadasha Anuvakam, 11th Anuvakam of Siksha Valli gives a conclusive instruction about how to live in all different situations. So that is called Vedopanishad. So basically what is the conclusion of, what is secret conclusion or whatever it is, the conclusive teaching, Anusasanam of a teacher. So again, as per the tradition, whenever we talk about Upanishad, the Shanti mantra need to be invoked. The Shanti mantra here is Shanno Mitraha, Shamnaha Mitraha, auspicious Mitra, the rising sun, the friendly rising sun. Shamnaha, for all of us, be auspicious. Sham Varunaha, the setting sun, who is the ruler. Varuna is king, ruler who punishes those who have done mistakes. Varunaha, who gives the rain, means who Varsha, who gives anything, result giver. Mitra is the capability giver who allows us to do the work. Shanno Mitraha, Sham Varunaha. Mitra Varunaha they are the dual deities. It is the same deity who is seen in the morning, who is seen in the evening. Shanno Bhavatu Aryama. Aryama is another name again for the same deity. Shannaha Bhavatu. So who is not having any these changes. Aryama, the worshipable, the god Aryama. Shanna Indro Bruhaspatihi. Then comes to Indraha, Indriyas, the Bruhaspati, the power of all the Indriyas, the lord of all the Indriyas, Indraha, who is Bruhaspati, Pati of Bruhat, everything, the lord of everything. Shanno Vishnuhu Urukramaha, Shanno Vishnuhu, Vishnu who has occupied everything, Trivikramaha, Urukramaha, with his all encompassing capability, like space, he is everywhere. Shanno Vishnuhu Urukramaha. Let the Vishnu be auspicious to us. Namo Brahmane. I bow down to the Brahma. Namaste Vayu. I bow down to the air. Vayu, the Prana Shakti actually. Namaste Vayu. Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi. If I am able to speak, means the energy coming out, the Vayu is there. That is Pratyaksha Brahma. He is visible, he is experienceable Brahma. Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi. Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishyami. So I also tell that you are the Brahma. Pratyaksham Brahma, experienceable Brahma. Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishyami. I speak about it. Ratam Vadishyami. So only after experience I speak. The Ratam I will experience. Satyam Vadishyami. That is the truth. That is the eternal truth as well. So Satyam Vadishyami. Tanmamavatu. So that eternal Brahma who is of everything, or who is the cause of everything. Mam avatu, protect, may he protect us. Tad vaktaram avatu, one he is speaking, who is speaking. Such a speaker also being protected by him, by the same Supreme God. Avatu mam. Again we are repeating, let me be protected by that Supreme. Avatu vaktaram. Let the vakta, the speaker, the teacher be protected by this thing. So this is a Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let there be peace in physical, psychological, spiritual, all layers. Adi Bhautika, Adi Daivika, Adhyatmika. In all the layers, let there be peace. So with this invocation, which is done by both Guru, the teacher, and the Sishya, we will touch upon this 11th Anuvaka. So 11th Anuvaka, it starts Vedam Anuchya Acharyo Antevasinam Upasasti. Vedam Anuchya. So at the end of the Veda teaching, Acharya, who has taught, the teacher, Antevasi, one who has lived along with him and learnt the Veda with him. Anushasti, Anushasanam. Anushasanam, Shasanam means if you don't follow, you will be punished. Anushasanam is a directive. That is, Shasanam is a law, whereas Anushasanam is a directive. If this directive is not followed, you are more likely you will fall. So, Anushasti. What is that he is telling? Vedamanuch Acharyo Antevasinam Upasasti. Satyam Vada, the first thing. Truth. Speak truth, eternal truth, supreme truth only. Dharmanchara, your acharana, your attitude, your movements, your life should be guided by the dharma. Whatever you have learnt, the dharma, you put it into practice. Your practice should be dharmic, dharmanchara. Satyam Vada, dharmanchara. The third most important is Swadhyayan Ma Pramada. So what he says, Swadhyayan, self-study. Yeah. Don't be careless about self-study. Daily Swadhyaya you have to do. Swadhyayan Ma Pramada. Acharyaya Priyam. Whoever has taught you, you be loving to him. Dhanamahrutya. You go and give him back some money. So because there is nothing called fees which has been collected by the student all along. He is saying, Acharyaya Priyam Dhanamahrutya Prajatantum na ma vyavachetsi. What is Prajatantum? Like our grandfather, grandmother gave birth to the father, mother, they gave birth to me and my wife. I give birth to son and sons, whatever. I will get a daughter-in-law and I give birth to daughter, son-in-law. Then they have to give birth to the next generation. This is called Prajatantu. The tantu means thread. The thread which is going ma vyavachetsi, don't cut it off. Prajatantum ma vyavachetsi. So it is an important thing. If dharma has to stand, Prajatantu has to be going. Satyan na pramaditavyam. So the next thing, again he is, don't be careless about Satyam. Again, dharman na pramaditavyam. Don't be careless about the dharma. Satyan na pramaditavyam, dharman na pramaditavyam, bhutyai na pramaditavyam. Bhuti, vibhuti means achievements. Whatever you have to achieve, the bhutis, they are also, don't be careless about what you have to achieve. You achieve. Bhutyai na pramaditavyam. Again, Swadhyaya pravachanabhyam na pramaditavyam. So that means self-study and pravachana, the teaching. Whenever, wherever possible, whatever you have studied, you teach. So this is one of the part of the pravachana. So whoever listening, whoever is not listening, continue to talk about dharma. Swadhyaya pravachanabhyam na pramaditavya. Don't be careless about them. Don't tell whatever it is. Only Shastra. Whatever you have studied, whatever you have experienced. Satyam vadishyami, Rutam vadishyami. Again. So Rutam only. Experienced truth only you talk. And supreme truth, what is said in Shastras only you talk. But you talk. Pravachanabhyam na pramadi. Swadhyaya pravachanabhyam na pramadi. After that. Deva pitru karyabhyam na pramaditavyam. Don't be careless about the deva karyas or pitru karyas. So, okay, God only know, okay, forefathers only know. So, that attitude is not wrong. Deva pitru karya is not right. Deva pitru karyabhyam na pramaditavyam. Don't be careless about deva pitru karyabhyam. Then, Matrudevo Bhava. So, who are all these devas? Consider your mother as your God. Pitrudevo Bhava. So, consider you be in your reality, you be, your Pitru be a God to you. Pitrudevo Bhava. Acharya Devo Bhava. Whoever has taught you, that Acharya is Deva to you. Atithi Devo Bhava. Anyone who comes in seeking some help, Atithi, without looking at any date and time, taking appointment, somebody approaches for some food or whatever. One who comes to you is Atithi Devo Bhava. Consider him as Narayana, he is God. So, until here the teaching is there. Then, normally what will happen, teachers, whatever teacher is doing, some things good or bad, students try to follow. So here he is cutting that. Yani anavadyani karmani. Whatever are not looked at bad, anavadyani karmani, tani sevitavyani. You only follow those who are not looked at as bad by the society, tani sevitavyani. You only follow those things that are agreeable to the society and which are not talked lowly by the society. So I may be doing them because of whatever are the reasons. Guru is teaching, the Acharya is teaching. Yani anavadyani karmani tani sevitavyani. No itarani. Yani asmakakam sucharitani. For whatever actions I am well known in the world. So people say, oh, he has done something like this. So such a guru, great guru. So what are the qualities? What are the actions? Are sucharitani, are known to the world as good deeds. Tani sevitavyani. Only those you follow. No itarani. Not those who are not accepted by the society, even if I am doing them. So that is the important. Tvani no itarani. Then eke cha charumat shreyagumso brahmanaha. So if you find somebody who is more capable, more wise and more knowledgeable person, such person, brahmana, such brahmana, tesham tvaya asanena prasvasitavyam. So you have to make him sit comfortably in an asana. Then shraddhaya deyam. So give your shraddha to him. With shraddha you give him. Ashraddhaya adeyam. Don't be faithless with such people. Shraddhaya deyam, ashraddhaya adeyam, sriya deyam. Auspicious, prosperous things you give to him. Hriya deyam. You feel, oh, I am able to only give so much to such a person, such a great person. Hriya, with that hri, with that shy you give. Bhiya deyam. With a little bit of fear you give. Fear in the sense, okay, will that be liked by that person or not? Bhiya deyam. Samvidadeyam, wholeheartedly. Samvit is Dharana Dhyana Samadhi. Put together it is known as Samvit. Samvidadeyam. With that Samvit, you give. All these are the qualities of giving to a wise person. Means you learn from, in each opportunity from a wise person you can learn. So Swadhyaya, self-study of the books, this whatever is being told now is the instruction that you learn wherever you find a better person than you, than me. Then finally, one more point. Adha yadite karma vichikitsa va vrutta vichikitsa va syat. So adha, if in case there is a karma vichikitsa, is this the correct thing to do, or vrutta vichikitsa, is this the right character of a person or not? Vichikitsa, you have to analyze. Vichikitsa va syat. If any such situation arises, if you want to try to evaluate an action or an attitude or a character or a person's behavior, what to do? Don't take your own nation. Ye tatra brahmana sammarshinaha. Who are all the brahmanas around that place? Sammarsinaha, who have vimarsinaha, not only to vimarsa, sammarsinaha. They can understand positive, negative, analyze, balance. Such people. Yukta, ayukta, aluksha, dharma, kamasyuhu. Who can balance the dharma and kama? Normally in the world, kama is taken as priority. My desire. I have to fulfill my desire. But those brahmanas who can also balance the dharma and kama, those yadhateshu varteran. How those people are behaving in such situation, tadhateshu vartetha. In such situations, you also behave according to their dictum. Those brahmana yukta, ayukta, aluksha, dharma, kamasyuhu, yadhateshu varteran, tadhateshu vartetha. So, atha abhyakhyateshu. Again, if the matter is related to somebody who has been considered antisocial, atha abhyakhyateshu. So somebody who has been thrown away from the society, or somebody who has been considered as useless, as a criminal, or as somebody who is not respected in the society at the same level as everybody else. Again, etatra brahmana sammarsinaha. Again, we are repeating that. Yukta, ayukta, aluksha, dharma, kamasyuhu. Yathateshu varteram. Tadhateshu vartetha. So, this is the conclusion. Yesha adeshaha. This is the adesha. This is the law. Yesha upadeshaha. This is the instruction, advice. Yesho Vedopanishad. This is the Veda Upanishad. This is the conclusion. This is what is told in all the Vedas. Etad Anusasanam. This is the Anusasanam. This is also directive, friendly advice. Evam upasitavya. This only you follow. Evamu chaitad upasyam. This only has to be followed. Okay. Sanno mitraha. Sam Varunaha, Sanno Bhavatvaryama, Sanna Indro Bruhaspatihi, Sanno Vishnurukramaha, Namo Brahmane, Namaste Vayo, Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi, Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmavadisham. Now the Shanti Mantra changes. I have told only you as the Brahma. Ratamavadisham, I spoke only the Ratam. Satyamavadisham, I spoke only the truth. Tan mamavit, he protected me. Tad vaktaramavit, avin mamavit vaktaram. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So this Anusasanam is the final conclusive teaching. Without this teaching, without understanding this teaching, there is education is not complete. So with the understanding of this teaching, somebody has given a certificate, Snatakotsavam will be done. With that completely understanding this teaching, the graduated student is eligible to come into the world and start living. That is the Taittiriya Shakha Upanishads Shikshavalli's conclusion. So why I spoke this on this Shanitrayodasi thing, Shanitrayodasi Abhijit Lagna, is to, there is a very clear directive what is dharma, how to behave in the Veda. It is not left to everybody's wills or fancies. So it is better to understand and follow, and that helps individual and universal well-being as a whole. Swasti. Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya. Sivadi Sri Gurubhyo Namaha.